Seminole Heights is really dog friendly, and that's why I love living here. There's a lot of oak trees here, which I really enjoy. It's nice shades. It's right in the middle of a neighborhood, so you can walk here. You're not walking on any main roadways. It's very quiet. There's a park across the street that has fountains that kids like to run around in, and you can hear them playing as your dogs are playing, and it just feels like a real neighborhood.
We have a group on Facebook where we can just post online of when we're taking our dogs in, and then we can just meet up here, and it's people in the neighborhood, so we're all really close here and tight-knit. The humans can interact and our dogs can interact as well, so it's a win-win.
So it's a great atmosphere for dogs, and the dogs that come out from the neighborhood have been awesome for him to play with.
I really like that when I go on a walk and I'm just walking around, I can swing by here and see if there are any dogs nearby, and if there are any new neighbors I can meet. Everyone here is always really friendly, and if I just walk up and say hello, we're suddenly friends. It's okay to be different, it's okay to be a little bit weird, it's okay to love your dog, and we love dogs everywhere.